When it comes to home renovations, sometimes it's the little things that can make a big difference. Mosby Building Arts shows us how it's all in the details. If you're not ready to totally revamp your space but are itching to change things up, Mosby Building Arts senior designer and consultant Jake Spurgeon says to consider a light remodel.
Light remodeling usually consists of updating a space just with some smaller details.
Mosby designers will often take customers to showrooms so they can see ideas come to life.
It's different than looking at a catalog and just looking at a picture or even something online.
Arnold Stove and Fireplace Center has options for indoor and outdoor fireplaces, plus so much more.
With Mosby, we're dealing with a seasoned team of designers and architects that can actually help fulfill projects to the very end.
The most popular trend is taking a wood-burning fireplace and turning it over to gas.
So that's where the gas inserts come into play. So no tearing out, no knocking down walls. It's a one-day project.
While you're changing up your fireplace, it might be time to revamp your mantel, and Mosby considers every detail.
I recently worked with a client that she planned to have her Christmas village on the top of the mantle, so we made sure that there was electric up there to plug in for fixtures, for hanging stockings during the holiday times.
You can also add built-in bookcases, which are great for displaying trinkets and for storage.
I always tell clients the taller the better. Use the space that you have and maximize what's available.
Speaking of built-ins, cubbies make everyday items look great.
Even if you don't have a traditional mudroom or laundry room off the entrance to your home, we can create one with some cabinetry or furniture pieces and really make that space look great.
And if you aren't sure exactly what you're looking for in a small remodel, just call Mosby.
They might have some ideas, but help them pull it all together, such as the lighting or bookcases, or even speakers in the ceiling for their TV or when they entertain. Little things like that can have a big impact to a space and really make them love it that much more.
Gosh, their work is so beautiful. Check them out on Facebook at Mosby Building Arts. Also online, mosbybuildingarts.com. You can go to their website there and give them a call always at 314-909-1800.
Hi, I'm Mark McClanahan. I'm the president of Mosby Building Arts. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and click the like button below. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section and we'll make sure to get an answer to you. For future videos, just go ahead and subscribe. And if you'd like to have a deeper conversation about your home, go ahead and click the link down there in the description area. We'll make sure to contact you. Thanks again for watching this video.